Hello friends, today's topic largest trading scam of the country, rupees 2200 crore fraud. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. One of the largest stock market scams in India has been unearthed by the police. Assam police has arrested two people in connection with the rupees 2200 crore financial scam involving fraudulent online stock market investment. However, several more people are expected to get arrested in the scam that has spanned the state and some parts of the country too. The accused, Vishal Phukan, who is only 22-year-old, and Swapnil Das from Guwahati, allegedly enticed investors with guarantees of a 30% return on the investment within 60 days. As promised, Vishal did deliver the assured returns to investors on time, but only for a while. Vishal displayed his extravagant lifestyle and significant spending habits to attract investments from innocent investors. Vishal moved in expensive cars and frequently traveled to the Middle East. He used to share photos of him skydiving in Dubai and hosting large open-air parties. This is a picture of the fraudsters. Mr. Pukhan is accused of setting up four companies across various sectors including pharmaceuticals, movie production and constructions through his illegal activities. He made significant investments in the Assamese film industry and acquired multiple properties. The investments were being made through a stockbroking company called DB Stockbroking run by Deepankar Barman. He is reported to have gone to Australia. As per reports, DB Stockbroking was not a registered broking firm. As many as 23,000 investors filed police complaints against DP Stockbroking once returns became irregular. People associated with the company had offices in Guwahati, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Mumbai also. Vishal Pukhan had also taken large amounts of money from people into his personal account for investment in stocks, assuring them guaranteed returns. As of now, it is not clear whether the investors who have lost will be able to recover the money. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has himself issued a statement urging people to avoid fraudulent online stock market investment, saying that claims of doubling money with minimal effort are usually fraudulent. Now, how to stay safe? Number one, don't transfer money to anybody to buy shares on your behalf. You should buy shares in your own demat account by transferring to the broker's account. 2. Don't believe in anybody who claims guaranteed returns from stock markets. 3. Do your own research before investing and don't blindly follow. 4. Trade with leading brokers only and not unknown brokers who may or may not be registered. 5. Learn about stock market so that you will realize that wealth takes time to create and hence you will understand there is no shortcut to make quick money. 6. Have realistic expectations from stock markets. We see many new investors expecting 25 to 35% per annum by observing the recent returns from markets. End of the video, here is the question. What do you think is a reasonable returns from stock markets in the long term? Type the percentage in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.